If your business is still relying on ad hoc hygiene services, you're paying more and risking compliance every month. I'm Trevor Whitaker from Crystal Mount, and here's why a hygiene service contract is the smart choice. Number one, your prices are fixed for the year, no sudden increases at all. Number two, you get priority service, no missed visits or scheduling gaps. Number three, it's tax deductible, a legitimate business expense. Number four, and most importantly, it keeps you legally compliant with the Foodstuffs Act and Occupational Health and Safety Act. When auditors ask for proof, your Crystal Mount contract and digital reports are ready. Don't gamble with hygiene or compliance. Partner with Crystal Mount, where hygiene isn't just a service, it's planned, it's compliant and perfected. Follow for smarter business hygiene insights.